Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss multiply fraction with whole number. 3 over 7 is multiplied by 4. In this 3 over 7 is fraction, 4 is whole number. So we multiply fraction with whole number. There is 3 over 7, it is fraction, we write as it is, multiply 4. 4 is whole number, first we change this whole number into the fraction. So we write 1 in its denominator. Now 4 over 1 is a fraction. So now we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 3 multiplied by 4, it is equal to 12. 7 multiplied by 1, it is equal to 7. So 12 over 7 is the answer. Let me take one more example. 5 over 9 is multiplied by 15. In this 5 over 9 is fraction, it is multiplied by whole number. In this whole number is 15. So 5 over 9 we write as it is, multiplied 15. 15 is whole number, first we change this whole number into fraction, so we write 1 in its denominator. Now 15 over 1 is fraction. In this 9 and 15, both are divisible on the table of 3, so we cancel them. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So 5 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 1. In this we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Over 3 multiplied by 1, 3. So 25 over 3 is the answer. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.